Are you ready to watch a video of old and new real tractors with Blippi and me? Coming up in this video, there's a trip to the English country fair, Teddy in the garden, and lots of tractors doing what they do best. Let's jump straight into the local tractor show, where Teddy and his granddad are looking at some old-fashioned tractors. Try and remember all of the tractor colours. We'll be testing you later. That's an awesome orange tractor. Wow, a little red McCormick tractor. You remember that name for later on in the video. Wow, a really old John Deere tractor. There's no mistaking that green. Now this is a really old tractor. If anybody knows what make it is, why don't you let us know in the comments? A bright blue tractor! And look, it's even got bits of orange. Hey, that tractor would suit Blippi. He's one of Teddy's favourite tractor stars. Hi Blippi! Now, how many coloured tractors did we see? Back to the tractor show. Look at the rows of really old vintage tractors. Teddy and his granddad have had great fun looking at them all. But Teddy isn't quite finished yet. He wants to have a go at driving some more. That looks like an old Massey Ferguson tractor. Did you know that some folks call them the first tractor? Shall we have a look at some Massey Fergusons in action? Go on then. That one is really old. They're really great at ploughing. There's all different types of tractors here, all sorts of colours and makes, and even sizes. Can you find your favourite? Teddy loves the big blue Ford tractor. Here's Teddy playing with his very own John Deere in his back garden with his daddy. He can't quite reach the pedals just yet, but that doesn't stop him having such a lovely time. Come on, Daddy, that way! Here's Penny the dog. She loves tractors too. What's he spotted now? Even more tractors to play with. Oh, this tractor can pull grass before it's even made into hay. Ted does love to play with his tractors. Do you like to play with yours too? That's it, Ted. Bale that hay. Teddy also loves construction vehicles. Check out his other construction videos. Now let's look at this footage of real tractors at work. Can you see how many makes that you recognise? Have fun watching! These ones are ploughing and harvesting. If you spotted some Massey Ferguson, Clark's and John Deere tractors, you did a great job. We hope you enjoyed all those tractors. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.